This new strategy will be doing most of the work for you with just a few taps of your mouse or your phone, not to mention that this method is free for all, and it's available worldwide. So anywhere you are in the world, you will be able to apply this method and begin to earn $500 with drag and drop. This method is also suitable for beginners. You won't need any social media following, engagement, technical, or specific skills for it. And relax, it's not affiliate marketing. With this, if done correctly and consistently, you'll be able to buy all the things that you want, but not just for you, also for the people around you. With just a few presses of your mouse or your phone, this breakthrough strategy will do most of the work for you. You may use this to improve your money-making abilities, no matter where you are. Skimming through the video is not advised because you might get some things wrong, end up not making as money. So follow along with me as I walk you through the process step by step, and I will help you earn $500 with drag and drop. Head over to latium.org. We will be able to make money using this platform with little to no effort, and with just a few taps on our screens or mouse clicks. If you are on the Latium homepage, hover your mouse over to Explore Pages and click it. You'll be taken to this page after clicking, which displays all of the featured projects on this platform. As you can see, the amounts offered for each project here is mind-boggling. You can make thousands of dollars by doing just one job, and the best part is, there are literally thousands of projects to choose from. So you won't have any trouble finding something you like. What's great about this platform is that it's accessible from anywhere on the planet. Latium is a fantastic platform for people to create their own income stream and pay for their own needs, along with that of their loved ones. So stay attentive on this video because I would show you how to earn $500 with drag and drop right here on Latium. Going back to the Explore Projects page, you can see inside all the categories that are present on this platform. To name a few, you have this category, this other one, and so on. Now, to save you a lot of time, I'll give you a special tip on where you can focus this strategy so that you will earn decent amounts of money that can be developed to be an income stream. So, for money-making purposes, let's just focus on this particular category, which is graphics and design. Upon clicking graphics and designs, you'll be forwarded to a page where it will show all projects related to this category. Don't worry, you won't be needing technical skills for this. You also won't be needing a social media following or a long list certifications to show your accomplishments in life for this technique to work. Because like I said, this is not going to take a lot of effort from you. All you will just need is your mouse to earn $500 with drag and drop. Going back to the Graphics and Designs tab, you'll notice that the majority of the tasks pay handsomely. Consider how much money you can make from these projects and how it will improve your life. You could buy a house, a car, or whatever else you want with this form of income. You may be able to achieve financial freedom, and as I already stated, the possibilities are endless. Now, since we have the opportunities present, the next question is how we can execute these services to earn money. I'll demonstrate that right now step by step. With that, let's proceed on to this project, which is a service requested by a client who needs a unique logo made from scratch. For more information on the project, click on the title, which will take you to the project page, where you can view the project's reward and offer in the currency in which you'll be paid. You'll find instructions on how to approach the project and produce their required output. For the client satisfaction on the project page, the client in this case is looking for a logo for his or her new corporation or business. That is essentially what they want. Don't worry, you won't be getting into the details of how to make a certain design. All you have to do is go to freelogodesign.org. This website provides people with free logo designs in a matter of seconds. As you can see, they have a large number of templates for Latium projects. I'd also show you another website where you may optimize your earning potential by simply clicking on a few buttons. Let me proceed with how to create a logo using this platform in order to earn $500 with drag and drop. First, you'll need to get some information from the client, like the full company name, as well as the category that the company is involved in. Now let's go back to the project page we opened a while ago and look at the company name. Just copy and paste the company name onto the free logo design box. As for the category of the company, you'll see that in the project page as well. So just input it over here. To design a logo, first input the company name and the category it's related to. After inputting, just click on Get Started. Upon clicking, you'll be redirected to a page of logo examples. With just a click of a button, you'll have hundreds of designs to present to your client. You can just look at different logos and find the one that you think the client will go 4. And if ever a client doesn't like the one that you sent, you can just select another one from here. There are endless logos here that you can send to your client. You may simply click on the logo you wish for your customer. You'll then be taken to this page where you can further customize your chosen logo design to make it more appealing to the client. We can change the logo to our liking, using technology to make it more presentable to the client. You may drag photos, add words, modify font, colors, and adjust the size of your logo or image. When you're finished, click the preview button to see a preview of the logo. By the way, this strategy works on both mobile phones and personal computers. When you're done with designing or editing, you can click on this button to save the logo that you've created on your device. There are hundreds of clients waiting for their logos, so to maximize your earning potential, you can simply exhaust your options and send as many logos as possible to these clients. In order to start earning with Latium, you can sign up clicking this button right here and provide them with the necessary details to create your free account. While you're still here, I'd like to introduce you to another platform where you can earn with more than $500 with drag and drop. In a nutshell, the same strategy may be used on Fiverr.com, a freelancing marketplace where people can sell their services. To get started, simply type logo design into their search box, and you'll be sent to their list of open projects. As you can see, these service providers make a substantial profit. Take a look at the quantity of reviews. They already have hundreds of them, indicating that more individuals have used their services. You can earn money simply by visiting freelogodesign.org and submitting your entries to certain clients who pay well. To further increase your earning from $500 with drag and drop, you can use both Latium and Fiverr at the same time. Overall, this is a great new technique that our online moneymaker newbies can exhaust. By just simply clicking a few buttons, you can now make money in an instant. All you need are just fingers to click on your mouse or your phone. And that's it. How to earn $500 with drag and drop. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and most importantly, make money. Love you.